So Cardano, not to be forgotten here this month in September, they have a huge upgrade coming up later this month, September 22nd. The VASIL hard fork is supposed to go live. That is about a week after the Ethereum merge is supposed to happen on September 15th. Huge month for crypto, right? Enormous month. We also had the Fed meeting later this month. If you're a Shiba Inu community holder, you also are very interested in getting some Shibarium documentation or some information in that regard. And then, of course, the Terra Luna situation is big with all of the burns happening. Just a big month across the board. And a very interesting month because historically, September is a bad month for Bitcoin and a bad month for crypto. But thus far, Bitcoin is performing extremely well. And a lot of that has come in the last 24 hours. And of course, when Bitcoin moves up, as does the entire crypto market. Now, in this video, I want to talk about Cardano's chances of moving up potentially 110% right around the time of the VASIL hard fork, perhaps. So we're going to jump into it in this video. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you like content like this. I'm here every single day for you, bringing you up to speed on the latest and greatest in the cryptocurrency market. With that being said, links down below if you want to check out my private community and anything else down there that interests you. Let's dive in. So Cardano ADA could explode by up to 110%, according to Coin Bureau. Of course, he's one of the true OGs in the crypto YouTube space. Love his content. He does a phenomenal job breaking things down, very detail oriented. Now, here's his timeline. The host of the YouTube crypto channel Coin Bureau has a bullish sentiment for the smart contract platform Cardano despite current headwinds. So in a new video, the analyst known as Guy tells his 2.1 million subs that ADA could surge by more than twice its current value after it plunged by over 50% since May. So currently, overall crypto market, we're going to come right back to that article, by the way, sitting at a $1.04 trillion market cap. Things are looking pretty solid right now across the board. Cardano, this has been kind of our high end. It did launch a little bit over 50 cents recently, but by listening to Coin Bureau here, he thinks Cardano could be heading to $1 relatively soon. Now, let's get into it a little bit more. He says traders and investors turn to Ethereum competitors for a hedge in case the merge will not result in favorable market conditions. So in recent weeks, Cardano's ADA has emerged as an ideal hedge against something going wrong with the merge, and Cardano's own upcoming upgrade could supercharge ADA's price action. So he's looking at it as in two ways. Number one, people could be coming in as a hedge, and people already are in Cardano as a hedge. Overall, I am. I love it as a smart contract platform, right? Ethereum is a much larger position of mine, but Cardano is big as well. Now, Guy says that the merge, which is set to happen in mid-September, and its own VASIL hard fork will happen a week later after the Ethereum upgrade, could make ADA soar to $1. The altcoin is trading for about 49 cents at the time of this recording. He says ADA could rally as high as $1 as a result of Ethereum's merge and Cardano's own VASIL hard fork. This would work out to a 2x move in the short to medium term, which is realistic expectation, especially since ADA's price action in fiat and ETH terms supports this target. He also says that ADA's long-term outlook will depend on the network's upcoming milestones, starting with the VASIL hard fork, which is a huge upgrade for Cardano coming up later this September. He goes on to say and finishes by saying there are additional macro factors, of course, coming later this month that could take ADA and other cryptocurrencies even higher or much lower. He's referring to the Federal Reserve meeting coming up post Ethereum merge. In fact, right around the time that Cardano goes through its VASIL hard fork, we'll be hearing from Jerome Powell, and we'll see how the markets respond. But no matter what, I'm loving Cardano still in the short term. When we do get a dip down to that 42-cent range, 43-cent range, I think it's a great opportunity to add to your position. Of course, not financial advice. I'm just a talking head on YouTube. I'm simply telling you what I'm doing. I've been adding a ton of Cardano here in 2022. I think it's just a great entry point. I think we're super early to one of the big competitors to Ethereum. And I think there are room for some of these competitors to thrive. Ethereum, of course, owns a lion's share of that market, but there are room for some big players. And I look at Cardano as one of those big players for years to come. Thank you so much for popping in. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe down below. I'd love for you to come back to the channel each and every day because I'm here for you, bringing you up to speed on the latest every single day in this wild, wild west cryptocurrency market. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.